Hello everyone. Today's date is 3rd January 2022 and my name is Kalpesh Dharmendra Badani. And today's video topic is wrapper class in Java. So wrapper class in Java is a mechanism to convert the primitive value into the wrapper objects, and wrapper objects convert into the primitive value. So wrapper class, it is a predefined class which can contain the primitive data types. So in wrapper class there are two types of data types. First is a primitive data type and second is a non-primitive data type. In primitive data type there are 8 types of primitive data types. First is a int, second is a char, third is a long, fourth is a short, fifth is a byte, 6 is a double, and 7 is a float, and 8 is a boolean. And in non-primitive data type it have some non-primitive data types. First is a string, second is a array, third is a class, fourth is a object, etc. So Java is not a purely object oriented programming language, but it is a object oriented programming language. So we cannot say it is a purely object oriented programming language, because it in Java we can use the primitive data types, or Java programming language use the primitive data types. So we see the wrapper classes. So primitive data types or primitive value convert into the wrapper classes. It is known as a wrapper class. So the first is a int. The int, it is a primitive data type and it have a primitive class is a integer. So int is its name is a should be start with the small letter, and in Java the keywords are should be start from the small letter. But in Java the classes name should be start with the first letter is a capital letter. So int primitive data type, it's have a class, it's have a wrapper class is a integer class. Its name is a integer, I is a capital, and second is a long. The long is a primitive data type, and its name should be start with the small letter, but the wrapper class of the long is a long, and its name should be start with the first letter is a capital letter. So in Java the all primitive data types are dedicated to the wrapper classes. Let's we take the one example, int a equal to 10. So integer, it is a variable and it can store the a is a variable and it store the 10 value. And next example is a integer a equal to 100. Integer, it is a wrapper object, and we can say it is a object, and it store the value in the variable is a is a 100. So next content is a parsing in the wrapper classes. The parsing is are used to the to convert the non-primitive data type to convert into the primitive non-primitive value into the primitive value, and primitive value convert into the non-primitive value. Let's we take the example of the parseInt function. Suppose we have one string s equal to, in double quotes there is a value that is a 2000, and if we want to the print the in sysout yes, then it gives the value, but we cannot increment this value yes plus plus. If you increase this value, then it gives the error. But by using percent function, we can print, or we can increase the value of this string. By using percent function, we can convert this string into the integer. So s equal to in double quotes 2000, and int y equal to integer dot percent in bracket this string variable name, and we can print the y, then it gives the increment value. The next is auto boxing and auto unboxing in wrapper classes. The auto boxing which in Java until the 1.4 version, we cannot provide the primitive value into the place of the wrapper objects, and until the 1.4 version, we cannot provide the wrapper object into the place of the primitive value. But after the 1.4 version, in 1.5 version, we can place the primitive value into the place of the wrapper objects, and we can provide the wrapper object into the place of the primitive value. So first is auto boxing. It is convert the primitive value into the wrapper objects. It's converted into the in JVM. It is auto boxing. It is a wrapper objects primitive value. It's converted into the wrapper objects. It's automatically converted into the compiler. Is known as auto boxing. We can achieve the auto boxing by using value of method, and auto unboxing is the wrapper objects converted into the primitive value by using compiler is known as auto unboxing. The auto unboxing we can achieve the int dot value method. So this conversion is responsible for this conversion is responsible for the is a compiler for this conversion. So that's all about today's video topic. Thank you.